How to update Google Chrome on your MacBook to the newest version. So right here on Google Chrome itself, you want to go to Google and then search for Chrome download, like here. And then on the first one, on the google.com Chrome, you want to click on it. And then right here, you want to click on this I want to update Chrome. And then choose on download Chrome right here. And then choose on accept and install. And then after you download your Google Chrome, you want to check on this download button right here. And then you want to open this Google Chrome.dmg. You want to double tap on it. And then after that, you want to drag and drop this Google Chrome icon to this application right here. And then you can choose to replace the application and then click on OK. And then right here, you want to do a right click on your Google Chrome applications and then tap on quit and then do the drag and drop again. Choose replace and you want to wait for a bit for this application to be running. And there you go. You can just close this one and then you can go to your application by this launchpad and then choose on Chrome. And then if you find this notification, you want just click on the open and there you go. You will have your newest version of the Google Chrome. Congratulations. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.